5 EKEONGA CHINSA ISANO na IBERE na yariganire ngoretere alia bariki baitu bamang'ana babekire chikambi korwa CHINSA mo ao na gotwariganira ing'encha magana agasaine gwateka mense yaitu ya Kenya anene muno chikaunti ibere chitu cha Kisii kaunti ya Kisii amone kaunti ya Nyamira EKEONGA CHINSA ISANO na IBERE inchenka Trine Nyaboga ese moyo bibanyererio tubwate Wilson Makori studio akabere yochikone kichipicha na marengo kirachira senchira yo gwekirano havira kairi kore no mwancho molegerere nabo kunyara kugendera na kubwatia imerobere ya Getembe TV asimetanda yiteke jamii kuna Getembe TV and FM boigo ne yazuku no gotonyara channel kama ari aine kibe Keigo magaya bayibuli kuri murunganira igoro yo kunyora ko gosokiwa amatemu akepsia amonari ya KCSE bono nigo butko bogokera rero ekiombe kerigetenene tamatemu kyane kiyasokia amachibu yaborokiwa bari bakorete amatemu akepsia aborokiwe milioni emo chiribu chimisa to na 13 chiribu chimikyanda na 13 bakora amatemu omwaka orita Senza chiribu 30 chimisano 52 na 3 Amatukata to kabuseri tukore katato magaye chiskuru ko igoro ni go bono skuru chesokire na gokwanera aria chiganitego chigakorerwa amo no ose amone serikali ya Kenya Charles Nyagucha esokire na gwakire serikali mbya mono asoko baye bitabu nabo yoko bagachira ekirasi kya kyanda gosikia grade 9 ya CPC
Chengo Charles Nyagucha mwalimu munene kama Windodio K Comprehensive School ngo kwenda tuyure school ya Jumatatu tarehe 6 na abana mba bakire no wali klasi ime tokone serikali mbi yamono asugo twagachire class ndubate class ya grade 9 ekiyasane kenene kiri spacious na ndio mbi yamona serikali batoye bitabu mbiro entunda sabe abayibuli baitu bare angine kiyitoga na gwetani bare tabana kiagera ibarandiro asigirete nayo ya nabo tugwate birasi bine abalimu batatu mono tugwate uburemerwa sema ya sciences ngusabe serikali tokonye etoma abalimu bache basoma imirimo ejo abana ba grade 6 bari bakora amatemu kipsea amatemu abo asokire bari barengega bache school na bari bande bakora school chinde na bagocha egere to babiki grade 7
na tutikete asenseme yeyo kwigora weche skuru bona kereche skuru cha igoire asegati yaba iboli barakanira gotwara obotantano igoro yo morobere bo moyo bwechsemi OCPC nigo bono asegati yaba manyibo bwechsemi besokire na kwa baibori ba CPC aboseme igoro yo morobere uyu asibayo tagiri kegima bakwana nigo igati yaba manyabu batagire chskuru cha banyene na koteba nigo chero beretemo kegima igoro yo morobere yo OCPC
in a work. This is between 4 to 5 years. Prepare 1 and 2. syllabus. Do you have syllabus? It's called on competencies. There are some words focused on content. It's already content.
Wazazi wengi hawana habari watoto wanaenda wapi wakitoka grade 9, na tumewaelezea jinsi transition from grade 9 to senior school itakuwa, na wameelewa. Na ninaweza sema kwa shule za watu binafsi wamefanya vizuri sana. Kwa mfano, you can see kuna class imetengenezwa, iko na kila kitu, they are well organized, they are ready. How I wish hata public schools ingekuwa organized namna hii, ili hawa watoto, kwa sababu ni watoto wa nchi moja, wasafiri kwa pamoja.
Especially to support some of the private institutions, because financially it's quite straining, and government support is highly needed.
Lack of knowledge, hiyo iko kwa wazazi. Wazazi wengi hawajakuja kuelewa CBC, tena hawajakuja kuelewa kwa nini walimu wanahitaji materials, hawana pesa, hawana that motivation ya kujua wazazi ndio wanafaa wa motivate watoto wao, si walimu. Mzigo kubwa wanaachia walimu, na walimu hawana hiyo CBC ni ya kila mtu. Inahitaji community, inahitaji wazazi, inahitaji mpaka taifa.
Junior secondary school. So our school, we are prepared, we have done our best. As you have seen, we have now opened the grade 9 class, and I'm sure our learners are going to
Tukomakeigo magega buriri weke nyinyi kia metanovirus wateka imeyense ya China gose HMPV ni gabono wizara yabocheni minsiti ya Kenya yasemire abantu kwerenda na wetanga korwa ase okwateka weke nyinyi kyo asebono yaboriri abantu bari babwate ebimanyerero bya seso gwesoke na wikachinya gitari na gopimwa bose weke nyinyi kyo. Umutineneri w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kancha atayikira nabo sibweke gambero neva magega yaye gochikoneke gambero eri wikira nabo sibwaye na gukwanira igoro yo kubwatwa kwa basaye.
To me, that the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth petitioners.
It is in the public domain that the
second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth petitioners.
Yes.
Have been set at liberty by whoever had abducted them. If they were abducted at all. My Lord, they are represented in this court before you by counsel.
Yes.
And my Lord, from where I stand or where I sit, it is very strange for counsel who purport to be on record for petitioners to ask where those petitioners are. If they indeed have been set free and they are at liberty, then it is the responsibility of those who are on record for them this morning to comply with order number 10.
Yes.
My Lord, the purpose of the attendance that your Lordship had directed in your direction, issued on the 30th of December last year,
yes,
my Lord, was to produce the second to the seventh respondents.
Yes.
And my Lord, that is clear from the directions that you made on the 30th of December. The purpose of attendance of my clients was so as to produce.
Na mukonyi b'umurayi w'ensi ya Kenya musike Profesa Kithure Kindiki nigo bono aburiria abasae gotiga gutumikwa bobe na banasiasa nabo igo gutumika ebiago babiri baito na Nyasaye ase enchira y'obwekiranu erio kwegendereria musike Kindiki niga yakwanetaya ase gikareke moime ya Mombasa kera barengena omowaziri mining omusike Al Hassan Joho.
Majority ndio hawa wako hapa wanapanga maisha yao hawa. The silent majority inapanga mpango wa maisha. Wengine wako huko na fujo lao waendelee.
Some of our young people who are very gifted, very talented, very innovative, but they don't want to be mentored, they don't want to be helped by anybody because they think they know it all and everybody else doesn't know anything. And you can't tell them anything because they know everything and they don't want to hear anything from any other person. That is a dangerous approach. You must allow. It doesn't matter how powerful you are. It doesn't matter how gifted you are, how talented you are. You must allow to be.
EKEONGA CHINSA ikomi asenchira yobenge inchenga Nyabuga kurensa mu manyerero etwarengenere Wilson Makore a studio akabere oyone kichibicha na murengo ikirachira asenchira yobwekeranu Havira Kariri.
Getembe Television EKEONGA Kiamamogusi
Nilan Hub niye moya chiduka echichiko n'ebintu bigutumika service nabo gase nyumba yawo yani furnitures asili lidia mabuko ebyo bikomenya segeka ase chinsamo cha living room mbabwate chi throw pillows echujire chichingenjo au nabo gone chikala au mbabwate recliner sofa sets echura onchura nebuno kuganya kwawo kole nkone bale fabric sofa sets echujire chechi 7 seater nabo gone chechi 6 seater echujire chechi rangi nechi design au nkone bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands echura tumeke aso kubeke TV ya obu ya ase chinsamo cha coffee tables nkone bale wooden coffee tables mbabwate glass top coffee table nkone bale marble top coffee tables egatie chinde chinyinge asinsamo cha dining room mbabwate dining table na boigo nechi set korwa asemete ya mahogan echuchire chechi 6 seater na boigo nechi 8 seater na boigo mbabwate marble top inyuranga Nilan Hub igobwato mu rubelio olipa pole pole asuwanchiro wakanira ebintu bigangorangora wika wakolire tonyole imbeyo mucho songo asebara yasunika migori otaraikasenya gitaye lya nyangena boigo dabogwaka esimi gwetrase chinamba chito echuchire enoti sano libere kyanda eyemo isano libere isato kyanda ibere inye kose enoti sano libere isano nesato ibere inye eyemo inye isano libere inye elio okole amonjilio asinka ya olero Nilan Hub where style, comfort and quality meet.
Getembe Television EKEONGA Kiamamogusi.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2025 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language,
preparing learners to thrive
in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, hygienic kitchen and dining area, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, skating, modeling, debates, scouts, and inspiring music programs with adequate training equipment. Our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2025 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 882397 or 0729 658 659 for more information or to book an interview.
My name is Dila Musa. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. Welcome. My name is Kaden Zabangwen. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. I welcome you to our school where we learn and play.
Timiza School. Discover your best.
Getembe Television EKEONGA Kiamamogusi.
Kila nafsi na itaonja
tarari ogukwa ko Mauricia Winston Musenya kwae Winston kwae nigale